Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Hope everybody's doing good this morning. Hold on one second. Looks like I had something blocking me. There we go. Just want to share my face and the PowerPoint, and I mean not PowerPoint, the execution system on YouTube. Good to see you all. Good to see you, Brian, Margaret, everybody, Grant, everybody. Looks great. Welcome back on Thursday. Today is the 15th. We're halfway done through this month. Remember, this month does end on a Friday, so this is like almost like an official 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4.5 full weeks. That's pretty good. Anyway, a couple of nice little stocks that are moving. We're getting a couple of really nice moves in some stocks right here. Get a nice pop on some of these inexpensive ones. Look, 113% on CING. Damn, that was a nice one. There were a couple other ones too. We're going to check them all out and obviously find out where the dominating market makers are, where the iceberg orders are, and all that good stuff. But before we do that, let's go talk about what happened as of yesterday. A couple of nice little stocks did move yesterday. I want to touch upon a few of them. Hold on. We had MPOX. Oops. Is that what I spelled it? I spelled it right. No. VRAX. Oops. Spelled it wrong. There we go. So we had a couple of good stocks that made some nice little move. VRAX was a nice little pop yesterday. You could see it was up, went from like $1.20 to about $1.90. Nice, inexpensive stock. Once again, had some nice iceberg orders, a couple of shakes here and there. Very cheap, right up our alley. Was what we looked for yesterday. We also had Govex, GOVX was another nice one. This one's going back on the watch list. You could see now it's not only became a good day trade, now it's becoming more of a short-term swing trade. Some of you remember in June, we traded the stock. It went from $1. You can see it right from here all the way to $1.50. Let me change my screen so you guys can see a little bit differently. Hold on. Give you more of a bigger view of it. There we go. A little something like that. So you get a nice little view of the level 2. So I'm putting GOVX back on our watch list. That one is a pretty nice looking moving stock. SIGA was another one that we traded. This is unbelievable. Great move yesterday, but look, all of a sudden, earnings came out because it looks like an earnings announcement. Tanked. This is why we don't hold overnight positions, okay? So they had bad news on their drugs this morning. That's what it was. Great trade yesterday. We caught it, but obviously the drug was didn't come out, made good news after this morning. So there's the news right there. We just posted it up, and we'll go out there and let's just copy and paste that, Rich, and put it in the oh, you did. Okay. Get that in the YouTube channel right there on social media. That one did pretty well. Other stocks had moved pretty well. LU and see that? Oh, there you go. Okay. Do you hear audio now? You probably hear it now. Sorry about that, guys. Let's look up this stock right here. VSME. Good to see what we got here. Okay, so you got a big order here at 80 cents. I mean, I don't know. You know how I feel about stocks under $1, but I'll put it on the B list. How about that? Put it on the B list. VSME. All right, I'll do that. All right, so we got that one right there. What else we got moving up here? This one, AI stock, AISP. A lot of you remember the stock in March, ran from $2 to $14. It finally came back down. I love stocks like this that are down big like this. And then all of a sudden they start coming back. Sometimes we get a nice little push on it. What we're looking for, up 27%, 4 million shares. That's a nice move right there. I like that. AISP. I'm going to see what orders are out there. Remember, traders, we never buy anything until we find the other orders out there. We never, ever want to trade a stock without seeing where the street is. Okay, it doesn't matter what we think, it's what they think. Now, as what I see here, I'm not really seeing too many orders anywhere. A little bit more of a Legos, so we might pass on it. CYTO, what's we traded that stock before. CYTO, good spread, good movement. What else we got here? Array, spread looks ugly. Govax, we already know about that. We talked about that already this morning. Where's the market on Govax? Is there any orders out there? I didn't check. GOVX. Let me see what's out there for us on Govax. Yeah, Govax has see now. See, this is what we're looking for. So you got these nice trends over here. You got big resistance at 410. See that big red line for 43,000. A little bit small of a buyer at 350. Okay, so at least we have a little bit of an idea where supports and resistance levels are in Govax. And it was 410. It showed me right there. So yeah, a little bit here. 410's right around there. All right. So that one looks pretty good. So what else? Anything else? No. Okay, we're down to about 10%. All right. Losers. Anybody getting crushed today? Any dead cat bounces? Not really a nice one there. We know about this one. We're going to stay away from this stock. That's not, remember what we always say about, what do we say about drug companies? They don't come back. All right. They don't come back. So whatever happens, people living high yesterday, and now they're living low today. So Walmart, wow, got a nice little push on Walmart. Walmart just kicking ass, man. Let me tell you, ever since they did that the stock split on it, let me tell you, it's been having a really nice run. Really nice run. So Walmart obviously looks like earnings came out. That's what I always look at that. That's the only reason why they probably would pop like that. Walmart will put it on the watch list. I would never think I would ever put Walmart on my watch list. I can't remember the last time I put Walmart on my watch list. But I know why. It's a New York Stock Exchange because usually they don't move. All right. Losers. Anything on a dead cat bounce on a loser? This one's down 34%. Spreads look pretty ugly. Ooh, remember this stock? GSTS. This thing ran from like $10 to $60. Came straight back down. It's back on the losers list. NVIDIA. I'm going to put that one on my watch list. NVDA. I think people will be happy about that. Love the volume. Just got a nice pop here at 830. That's what we're looking for. And all those stocks that we saw just earlier, they're all on the big percentage gainers. Tesla's making a little bit of a move too. Tesla's been taking a big hit lately. And but you know what? It finally broke 200. And did everyone hear about the astronauts stuck on a space station? Rumor has it that Tesla might be coming out to save the day. You know, he has the technology to get up there because those astronauts are going to be stuck in there till February 2025. Could you imagine Boeing? Where is Boeing, by the way? Boeing, I heard they just settled. They just settled a lawsuit. So I don't know. There wasn't a couple of hundreds of millions because of the death. So man, Boeing's got such major issues, man. Let me tell you, unbelievable. All right. So we got those stocks. Anything we're missing that we're not talking about that we, oh, by the way, get back to the Tesla trade. The reason why I brought that up is because you know, once some company's in the news, people are like, oh, maybe it's a cheap stock. They start buying it. But Tesla's doing pretty well. So who knows? We'll keep an eye on that. All right. New CEO on Boeing, Lynn said. Yeah, I mean, well, listen, I was a big fan of Boeing. I got out of it. I made money on that. I lost money on a swing trade on stuff like that. But listen, the big thing is if things don't go your way, we taught you the 30-second rule. It's time to move on. All right, so listen, we got 15 minutes before the market opens up. Everyone here on social media, if you have your phone, click on it. You got the little QR code in the top left-hand corner. You could scan it. You could join our trading room. We're here all day long. We're live every morning at 9 a.m. And just make sure you just like us and friend us on the channel. Cyber traders, you know what the deal is. You see something, you say something. And I know we have a lot of new members. I did an event with Rob Booker yesterday. We had, hundreds of people that viewed the event. We got a lot of new trials that joined us also. I always kind of remind everybody, if you're new here to Cyber Trading University, you're in a trading room, just please keep in mind, this is not a teaching room. It's a trading room. You're here to see how we teach everyone how to think for themselves and how to follow our watch list. If you like what you see, talk to your education advisor, and we'll teach you how to go from there. Excuse me. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I will be looking forward to seeing everybody in the next 15 minutes till the market opens up, all right? So don't go anywhere. Trade safe. In the meantime, everybody, you see something, say something. Good luck today.